Creating an aesthetic brand is what you want, right? Let me show you how you can create a unique and aesthetic brand that will represent all your values and really get unique and in touch with you. So with that, I'm showing how I'm doing it right now, figuring out what my brand aesthetic would be and how I want to create this brand and make it really unique so people can recognize this style, this unique style of content. If you want to create an aesthetic brand, aesthetics and values make the brand, so don't forget the values. An aesthetic brand doesn't just need to be good shots and crazy color grading and crazy edits, but your values have to be aligned with the person you are. This creates an aesthetic and a vibe of itself. So never underestimate the power of your values that you have and the style you bring with you everywhere you go because of your personality. So now I'm trying to really experiment with really different content styles, try different things that I like, how do I want to come across, and just I'm iterating fast. So if I don't like a certain thing, how can I change it up? How can I upgrade some colors or some audio quality? How can I upgrade my whole system, my workflow? Just minor changes elevating the brand. Right now, I'm not really sure how my brand will look in 2 to 3 years. I don't know my aesthetics right now. I don't know which fonts or colors I want to use over the long term. But I'm journaling and writing down all the ideas that I have. I'm crossing out what I don't like, what I like, so I can narrow down what my brand would look like in the future, what I like about it, how I want to go about this creating of an aesthetic, unique brand. Another thing that I really like to do is going back to my goals every single day. So your goals are also a value that you represent. Your goals are the aspiration that you want to achieve. If you implement this into your brand, you can really elevate your brand aesthetic, because if you implement the lifestyle, the success you want to achieve into your person that you are right now, this creates an aesthetic of itself. And maybe a not so secret tip for it, for the whole aesthetics thing, the visual thing behind the brand aesthetic, is Pinterest. Pinterest is a great inspiration of the lifestyle that you want to live in the future, of the aesthetic, of the vibe, of the style, or you may be more of a old money person. I know it's really going crazy right now with the virality, the trend of it, but you can like it, you cannot like it. Maybe you are more of the street style person, maybe you are more of the adventurer. You can really find the inspiration, some great graphic design work, maybe some great music taste on Spotify. Just start to explore and maybe use some tools and some other social media as inspiration. Pinterest, I like it for me personally a lot, but you have to decide for yourself. So with that being said, create an awesome brand and keep building.